In the tapestry of time, there is a furniture story. This tale emerged from the union of design, quality, and art. Today, we are here to take you into the inner beauties of Saloni. Saloni touches life with 8 different production facilities. The dance of sofa, the music of metal, the dream of the bedroom, the elegance of the dining room, the softness of bed, the harmony of accessories, the comfort of the chair, the poem of surrounding. Our factories have an annual production capacity as follows: 20,000 sets of sofas, approximately 46,000 pieces of 3-seater sofas, 10,000 sets of bedroom furniture, 7,500 sets of dining room furniture, and 5,000 cribs. With this capacity, we produce a total of 87,500 products each year. Saloni is not just furniture, it's a lifestyle. With 31 corporate stores in Turkey, a total of 52 stores, 124 sales points in 74 countries, and participation in global fairs, Saloni is making a name worldwide. In this workshop, each worker is a family member. Our total of 700 employees are artisans with passion in their hearts. Our female employee ratio is 30%, leading in the industry. Saloni not only adds meaning to homes, but also to the world. We use 100% renewable energy in production and do our part to protect forests. Every furniture piece carries a hidden story within. We have a team of 45, experienced design, R&D, and engineering. This team has contributed to 45 patents and numerous design awards, making us a pioneer in the industry. Every piece is a work of art crafted by a master. Our EN 2520, ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 45001 certifications symbolize the quality and standards of this art. 2024 Product Design Award, 2023 Good Design International Design Award, 2018 Istanbul Fair Most Liked Brand Award, 2009 Istanbul Fair Design Award. The story of Saloni has been told. Each piece is a story created not with numbers, but with emotions. Join this story. Create an art gallery in your home with Saloni. Stay creative.